Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn a tap dance practice combo focusing on stationary flaps, shifting your weight from side to side, heel drops, and we're going to throw in some Broadways as well. You don't need any tap experience to give this a try. I encourage you to start where you are, use what you have. You don't even need tap shoes, just tap dance in whatever feels comfortable and safe to you. So without further ado, let's get tapping. We're starting with a step that I call a stationary flap, but you can also call it a slap, like slap. So our flaps have two sounds. It's a brush and a touch, or a brush and a step. So our stationary flap is going to be a brush touch because it's not going to move us anywhere. So we're just brushing and touching, brush, touch. It does not take our weight. You can put a little bit of your weight on it to give it that nice definitive sound. So two sounds. We're going to have brush, touch, brush, touch. Left foot would be brush, touch, brush, touch. We are going to add a heel drop to this, so an opposite heel. So I'm going to flap with my right, heel drop with my left. So opposite. Fall, lap, heel, fall, lap, heel. Try that. 5, 6, flap with your right, heel with your left. Fall, lap, heel, fall, lap, heel. Very nice. Left side, same thing. Fall, lap, then right, heel. Fall, lap, heel, fall, lap, heel. Yes? So this is the basic step that we're going to start to incorporate into this practice combo. So here's what we're going to actually do. We're going to do 3 of those flap heel heels. So you're going to go, flap opposite heels. 1, 2, 3. And on the 4th one, we're going to switch our weight to our right foot because we're going to go fall, lap. You're going to hit your left heel, but then you're going to hit your right heel, and that's going to switch. So we're still hitting that left heel first, but then we're going to switch it over to the right. Fall, lap, left, right. Again, fall, lap, left, right. Just try that. Fall, lap, left, right. 2 sounds with your right, then 2 heels. So we have 3 flap opposite heels. 1, 2, 3, then fall, lap, left, right. Yeah, try it. 5, 6, fall, lap, heel, fall, lap, heel. Right, left, then left, right. So if you were counting, it would go and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6. This one has to come a little faster, and 7 and 8 to switch it over. Then your left foot's free. We've shifted our weight completely to our right foot. We're going to repeat the pattern with the left foot lead. So we're going to go fall, lap, right heel. Then we're going to add that second heel, fall, lap, right heel, left heel. So we're going to do fall, lap, right, left. Just try that. Opposite heel is going to hit first. Flap 2 heels. So 3 flap 1 heels. 1, 2, 3. Fall, lap, right, left. I'm saying all kinds of things. Try your left side. 5, 6. Fall, lap, opposite heel 3 times. 1, 2. Now flap right, left. So when we put right and left together, it's going to sound like this. We'll go a little slower. 5, 6, fall, lap, heel, fall, lap, heel. Right, left, add your second heel. Now we switch. Left, right. One more. Then flap, right, left. Yeah, try that one more time. 5, 6, you got it. Fall, lap, heel, heel. 1, 2, one more. 2 heels, then left. 2 heels. Yes, very, very nice. From there, we're going to take off 2 of those flap opposite heels. We're just going to do 1, then 1 flap heel. So we're same steps you've already done, but we're cutting it down. So we're doing 1 flap heel, 1 flap heel. Left foot's going to do the same thing. 1 flap heel, 1 flap heel. To switch your weight. Yeah, so we're going to go 1 and 1. 1 and 1. Try it. 5, 6, 1 flap opposite heel, flap 2 heels, now your left. Now 2 heels. Try it one more time, ready? 5, 6, you got it. 5, 6, fall, lap 1 heel, flap 2 heels, left side, 2. Very nice. So from the top of our practice combo, we have 3 flap opposite heels, then you add that second heel, fall, lap, heel, heel. You repeat that on the left, then we have 1 flap opposite heel, 1 flap, heel, heel, 1 flap opposite heel, 1 flap, heel, heel. Let's try it. Right foot's gonna lead 3 times first. 5, 6, fall, lap, heel, for 3, 2, 1 flap, 2 heels, now left for 3, 2, 1 flap, 2 heels, 1 flap opposite heel, then we switch, 1, and we switch. Very, very nice. You're doing awesome. If you want to review that, go back and do that as many times as you need to. There's one more little part to add on here. It's gonna have a new step. So after we did the one on the left, we're back to having our right foot free. We're gonna do 2 flap opposite heels this time. So you're gonna go 1, 2. And to finish the right side lead of our practice combo out, we're gonna do something that I'm calling a Broadway. You might have heard this called a Shirley Temple if you've learned it before, a continental, a never-ending step. It's an Eleanor Powell. It's got so many names. So call it what you want it. I'm gonna call it a Broadway. Here's how it works. You're gonna do that same flap opposite heel action. So you're gonna do flap, left, right, and I want you to sneak this left toe up this time. So we're gonna do the same thing we've already been doing. Flap, left, right, but we're sneaking that left toe up. Again, flap, left, right. With the toe up, you're gonna brush that foot back. So we're taking the ball tap and brushing it on the floor, dropping your right heel, toe, dropping your right heel. So we're gonna go brush, heel, toe, heel. Again, brush, heel, toe, heel. So this is where our weight shifting is really important to think about. We wanna make sure we've pulled all our weight here directly over that right leg, so that we have stability to balance for the brush, heel, toe, heel. So our Broadway, or our Shirley Temple, or whatever you want to call it, here's how it sounds. You have flap, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. Everything is going to be left, right after the flap. So you're going to go flap, left, right, left, right, left, right. Again, flap, left, right, left, right, left. Or this is a good one to say to start to make that mind-foot connection. Flap, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. 5, 6, flap, heel, heel. Left, right, left, right, left, right. 5, 6, flap with your right. Flap, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. And that is our Broadway to the right. Now we're not gonna do the left side lead here, but I'm gonna show it to you here. So it doesn't go in the combo here, but let's practice it since we're working on the right side already. So our left side Broadway, you're gonna do that same flap, opposite heel, same heel. So right, left, we're gonna sneak the right toe up this time. So we're gonna go flap, right, left. You're gonna brush the right this time, left heel, and then toe right, left heel. So this time it's brush, heel, toe, heel. Now you want all your weight centered over the left. So we use flap, back heel, front heel, or right heel, left heel to switch your weight, and then we're centered out over here over that left foot. So left side lead off our Broadway. Flap, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. Try it. 5, 6, flap with your left. Heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. This time everything is right, left. Flap, right, left, right, left, right, left. 5, 6, flap, back, front. Heel, heel, toe, heel. When I say back, front, I just mean the other foot. That's how I cue it for some reason. Okay, so we're jumping back into our combo. We'll get to the left side in a second. So we finished with 1 flap heel, flap 2 heels, flap 2 heels. Here's our last step. You're gonna repeat flap opposite heel 2 times. 1, 2, Then we're gonna do one Broadway to the right. Flap, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. So let's try that. Flap opposite heel 2 times. Right foot leads. 5, 6, flap, heel, for 2. Broadway. Flap, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. Yeah. 5, 6, flap, heel, heel. Flap, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. Yes. 5, 6, flap, opposite heel 2 times. 1, 2, Broadway. Yes, excellent, excellent. So we've learned our right side lead. Woo! So from the top, we're doing 3 flap opposite heels with your right. We'll preview it here. 1 flap, heel, heel. Then the left foot's going to do the exact same thing. Flap, heel, heel. 1, and 1, 1, and 1. Now 2 flap opposite heels. 1 Broadway. Flap, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe. And that's our full right side lead. I'm going to count you in. We're going to go slow, starting with flap opposite heel 3 times. You're doing amazing. Let's go. 5, 6, flap, heel, heel. 1, 2, 3, flap, heel, heel. Now left. 1, 2, 3, flap, 2 heels. 1 flap, heel, flap, 2, 1, 2, now 2 flap heels, Broadway, flap, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. Yeah! Let's do it again. If you want to go that tempo again, go back, watch that again. Otherwise, I'm going to go a little bit faster. So we're going to go flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel, heel. I remember it. 5, 6, flap, heel, for 3, 2, now flap 2 heels. Now left. 1 more. Flap 2. Now 1 and 1. Left. Now 2. 1, 2, Broadway. Heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. Woo! Very, very nice, y'all. That's a great place to practice that right there. If you want to just really focus in, it's got all the elements there. You can practice, practice, practice. If you want to add the left side lead, it's all the steps we've already done except for the left side Broadway in the combo. So we did brush, heel, toe, heel. Your left foot's free. We're just going to start the pattern over with your left foot leading. So we're going to do 3 with your left, then flap, heel, heel. This time it's right, left. So you've already done this. Switch it. But we're just leading with the left foot. Now we do 1 and 1, 1 and 1. Here's 2 flap opposite heels. Then our left Broadway is flap, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. So again, our left Broadway, it's going to be right, left after the flap. Flap, right, left, right, left, right, left. Yeah. Ooh. Let's try one time on the left. 2 of these and 1 Broadway. I said 1 time, but we're just going to try it. I don't know why I said that. 5, 6, flap, heel, for 2. Now Broadway. Flap, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. Yeah, try it again. 5, 6, flap, heel, 2 times. Then we go flap, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. One more time here for real. 5, 6, flap, heel, for 2. Then we go. Yeah, very nice. Let's go to the top of the left side. I'm going to count you in. We'll go slow. Just the left side lead. So starting with 3 flap opposite heels with your left. Here we go. 5, 6, flap, heel, for 3, 2, 1, flap 2 heels. Take it right for 3, 2, 1, switch your weight. Here's 1 and 1, 1 and 1. Now we do 2 flap opposite heels, 1 Broadway. Flap, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel. Great job. Let's do our left side one more time. We're going to go a little faster, and then we'll put right and left sides together. Here we go, left side. 5, 6, you got it. Flap, heel, for 3, 2, flap 2 heels. your weight. 1 and 1. Switch it. 1 and 1. Now 2 knees. Broadway. Fall lap, heel, heel, brush, heel. Yeah, great job. All right, we're gonna put right and left together. You already know it, I know you do. I'm gonna call it out for you. So here's how you're gonna transition. The right side's gonna end with a Broadway. Gotta stay centered over that right foot, and we're gonna take that left foot out and start our pattern over. Let's go really slow. You gotta stay in it mentally, so don't think about work or supper or whatever you gotta do. Just stay here, be mindful, take time for yourself, be in the moment here. All right, flap, opposite heel. I'm gonna take my own advice. 5, 6, nice and slow. Fall lap, heel, fall lap, right lead. For 3, 2, 1, flap, 2 heels. Now left side, same thing. 1 more. Flap right, left. 1 and 1, fall lap, heel, fall lap, heel, heel, fall lap, heel, flap opposite for 2, Broadway, fall lap, heel, heel, brush, heel. Start it over for 3, 2, 1, flap 2 heels. Now 3, 1, 2, 3, switch your weight. 1 and 1, fall lap, heel, fall lap, heel, heel, fall lap, heel. Now 2, flap opposite heels, Broadway, fall lap, heel, heel, brush, heel, heel. Amazing job. We're gonna do it one more time here together. We're gonna go a little bit faster. If you wanna go slow again or at that tempo again, go back, you can do it. If you wanna go a little bit faster, let's go right here. So we're gonna go fall lap, heel, ready? You got it. 5, 6, fall lap, heel, for 3, 2, 1, now switch your way. Left for 3, fall lap, heel, heel, 1 and 1, fall lap, heel, heel, left. 2 flap opposite heels, Broadway. Left side lead for 3, 2, switch your weight, you got it. Right, 3, 2, flap, heel, heel, 1 and 1. Now right, now 2, opposite heels, Broadway. Heel, heel, brush, heel. Yeah, amazing, amazing job. And that was our stationary flap practice combo. Thank you so much for joining me. If you want to try this with music, I'm gonna dance it in a separate video that I've linked down in the video description. I'll put it up here on this card as well, to Taylor Swift's OPALITE. If you don't want to dance it to that, pick any song you want to, or don't dance it with music, or use a metronome. Whatever you want to do to practice this here, make it your own, whatever feels best to you. But that other video is linked down in the video description if you want to dance it with music with me. If you had fun today and you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. If you want even more tap dancing in your life, I have an online tap dance membership called the Happy Tappers Club, where I teach weekly online tap dance classes specifically designed for adult beginner level tap dancers. So I'm gonna put a link down in the video description where you can get more information. You can sign up for our wait list to know when the Happy Tappers Club enrollment is open again. You can take classes live with me on Zoom, or I've got a portal with hundreds and hundreds of tap dance lessons that you can watch on demand at your convenience. So check out that link. Check out the Happy Tappers Club if you want more tap dancing with me. Thank you again for joining me. I had so much fun tapping with you today. I hope you have an incredible rest of your day. I hope you'll be kind to yourself and kind to others. And I hope you'll come back and dance with me again in a future tutorial.